Hi guys, it's Danny here and welcome back to my channel. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate all of your love and support. And if you are new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You'd be crazy not to. Join our family. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you 3 things you should do before you start looking for a property to buy. Now, if you've seen my why I pulled out video, you'll know that I actually didn't follow through and buy a property, but I did get a mortgage offer, so I do have some great tips and advice to give to you. Number 1, curb your spending. Now, when you do apply for a mortgage, the bank is going to want to see your bank statements. And the last thing they want to see is £600 at Zara, £400 at ASOS, £250 at Boots. We've all been there. We've all been there. Number 1, this is really difficult to save if you're blowing money on stupid things like clothes and makeup. But also, number 2, it looks really irresponsible and the banks are going to look at that and be like, what is she doing? Who does she think she is? What is she playing at? So one big tip I would give to you, if you do have expenditures, there's nothing wrong with buying clothes and buying toiletries, but obviously you're trying to save, so turn them down, but also put them on a different card. So a huge tip that I give to everyone, and actually it worked for my best friend as well when she bought her house, was putting her spending money onto a card like Monzo or Starling. So that's not your main current account, but your bank won't be looking at that statement. So you can still go out and buy clothes and stuff, but just don't have it showing up on your main current account statement. It just doesn't look good. You want to keep that as clean as possible. Direct debits like your phone bill, your gas, electricity, your rent. Keep the important things there and keep your Pret, Boots, Zara on your Monzo statement. Tip number 2 I would give is, all the basic stuff. Make sure your addresses are in order. So this is something, especially if you're someone that's graduated university, you've rented a few times, you want to make sure that your addresses are consistent. So it's really great to use tools like Credit Karma, where you're able to see the linked addresses to your accounts, see if you're on the electoral roll. Please double check and make sure they're up to date. This can take quite a while for your bank to update. So if you're going to be applying for a mortgage within, the next month, 2 months, get this done as soon as possible because it takes a while for their admin to update this, especially for credit reference agencies. And tip number 3 is to keep checking your credit score and stop applying for products. So this is for people that are applying for any kind of credit, be that, Very accounts, online shopping accounts, Klarna, a new credit card, a new loan. Stop applying. You want to have this looking as clean and clear as possible. At the end of the day, you're impressing the bank, so you want this to look a little bit like your CV, showing that you're responsible, you've been around for a while, you're not moving up too often. You want to have a nice, clean financial CV. So please stop applying for credit because this just looks like, you're tumbling out of control kind of thing. So those are my top 3 tips for people that are looking to apply for mortgages and finance as soon as possible. If you do have any other tips, let's pop them down below and share them with people so they'll get on the ladder. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.